Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This question is from CAT 19 slot 2 paper. Two ants A and B start from a point P on a circle at the same time with A moving clockwise and B moving anti-clockwise. Okay, so let's say this is the circle and here's the point P. So A and B both are starting from point P. A is moving in clockwise direction while B is moving in anti-clockwise direction. They meet for the first time at 10 am when A has covered 60% of the track. Okay, so 60% of this track would be somewhere here for A. Okay, this portion is 60%, and they are meeting at 10 am for the first time. If A returns to P at 10:12 am, then B returns to P at what time? Okay, so again from here, A is taking 12 minutes to reach point P. So we need to find out how much time B will take to reach P. Okay, so let's analyze this question. So A is covering 40% of this track in 12 minutes. So A has already covered 60% and remaining 40% A is covering in 12 minutes. So A is covering 40% track in 12 minutes. That means the A has covered 60% of the initial track in 12 by 40 into 60 minutes. Okay. So that means A took 18 minutes to cover 60%. So from here we can compare this. So 60% for A is same as 40% for B. Okay. Because the time A took to reach from P to, let's say, P dash, B took same time to reach P dash from P. So in the time A has covered 60%, B has covered 40%. So they are same. So B took 18 minutes to cover 40%. Now we need to find out how much time B will take to cover remaining 60%. So if B is taking 18 minutes to cover 40%, then B will take how much time to cover remaining 60%? It will take 18 by 40 into 60. So 27 minutes. Okay. So from P dash to P, B is going to take 27 minutes to cover remaining 60%. Because at P dash, when B has reached P dash, it's 10 am, and after that B will take another 27 minutes. So finally B will reach P at 10:27 am, which is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.